Hey there guys, Coach Jason Depaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. Inside today's video, I'm showing you a really good high intensity kettlebell routine. This can be done at the end of a strength routine. So if you go to the gym, you can do a bit of strength before. So like squats, deadlifts, bench press, anything like that. And you can use this as a finisher at the end. Also, you don't have to do that. You can use this routine anywhere, anytime if you want a quick little sort of kettlebell conditioning workout. So you can do this anytime. You just got to increase, maybe instead of doing 3 rounds, 3 sets, go to 4 to 5 rounds, and this would be perfect for any conditioning if you're really stuffed for time and you want to do something really quick. But in the meantime, if you do like this video at the end, please give it a thumbs up. Please click on the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I'll put a link here somewhere for my Instagram feed. Please go on that, follow me on Instagram because I put a lot of fitness tips, fitness hacks on that as well. Also, below in the description box is links to my website and also to my new mobility ebook and to other ebooks that I am giving away for free. So just click on the link below and go through the information. I'll be able to give you the link for you to download. So I hope you appreciate that. Give this a big thumbs up. I'll let you continue on to the video right now.